Ignoring NaNs with str.contains. I want to find rows that contain a string, like so. However, this fails because some elements are NaN. Value error, cannot index with vector containing NaN values. So I resort to the obfuscated. Is there a better way?
There's a flag for that. See the str.replace docs. default NaN, fill value for missing values. So you can do the following.
In addition to the above answers, I would say for columns having no single word name, you may use. Hope this helps.
I'm not 100% on why, actually came here to search for the answer, but this also works, and doesn't require replacing all NaN values. Works with or without .lock. I have no idea why this works, as I understand it when you're indexing with brackets pandas evaluates whatever's inside the bracket as either true or false. I can't tell why making the phrase inside the brackets extra boolean has any effect at all.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.